Why choose low-calorie functional beverages?
Low-calorie functional beverages offer more than just refreshment. They're designed to support your health, providing hydration with added benefits like antioxidants, vitamins, or digestive aids, all while helping you reduce your calorie intake. Making these drinks at home lets you control the ingredients and avoid added sugars or artificial additives, making it easy to stay healthy and refreshed every day.
Easy citrus-infused water for immunity.
Citrus-infused water is simple to prepare and naturally low in calories. Just slice oranges, lemons, or limes and add them to cold water. The vitamin C from these fruits can help support your immune system, while the bright flavors make it easier to stay hydrated. For extra flavor and antioxidants, try adding fresh mint or a few slices of cucumber.
Green tea with ginger boosts metabolism.
Brew green tea and steep in some fresh ginger slices for a metabolism-boosting functional drink. Green tea contains natural antioxidants called catechins, which may help with fat oxidation. Ginger adds a spicy kick and supports digestion. Sweeten lightly with a drizzle of honey or stevia if desired, keeping calories low while maximizing benefits.
Homemade electrolyte drink for hydration.
Mix water, a splash of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of sea salt, and a little honey or stevia for a natural electrolyte beverage. This drink replenishes minerals lost during exercise or heat, supporting hydration without the extra sugars found in many store-bought sports drinks. Customize with sliced berries or herbs for added flavor and nutrition.
Probiotic power. Berry Kefir smoothie.
Blend a half cup of plain kefir with a handful of mixed berries and plenty of ice for a tangy, low-calorie probiotic smoothie. Kefir supplies beneficial bacteria for gut health, while berries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Avoid sugary add-ins to keep this drink light and enjoy a delicious boost for your digestion and immunity.
Tips for creating your own functional drinks.
Experiment with herbs, spices, fruits, and teas to craft beverages tailored to your health goals. Use unsweetened bases, fresh ingredients, and natural sweeteners in moderation. Focus on hydration, taste, and added benefits like vitamins or probiotics. By making your own functional beverages, you gain flavor, wellness, and control, all with fewer calories.